Hey everyone, my name is Megan and this is Painted and Distressed. Today I have a quick and easy fun Easter project for you. We're going to make some fabric carrots. I hope you enjoy. So I took this piece of drop cloth that I had folded a few times, and it measures about 12 by 6 roughly, and I just cut it at an angle, basically to make a triangle. And I made sure to have two pieces, for a front and a back to make a carrot. So then I just took my hot glue gun and I glued the two pieces together, and I made sure to leave about a ½ inch from the seam because I wanted to make these more rustic, I guess farmhouse style, and so you'll see in a bit that I do end up distressing them, the edges, but I'm just cleaning up the ends right now, just make sure that both ends line up as much as possible. Because I do end up fraying the ends, it doesn't matter too much, but I also didn't want a crooked carrot either. So then I got out these wood letters that I got from Dollar Tree. I've had for a really long time, and I actually saw a YouTuber here do this, and she just took some popsicle sticks and she just glued them to the wood. Now obviously this spells car butt, but it's because I didn't have two R's, so I just wanted to make sure my spacing was correct. But so basically I just hot glued the popsicle sticks so I could make a stamp. And then I'm using folk art chalk paint in the color Sage, and then I'm just stamping on each letter. And the YouTuber that I got this idea from, her channel, like I said, is linked down below, and she is amazing. I've only seen a couple of her videos, but she is very talented. Her name is Julie. Her channel is Julie's Designs and Signs, and wow, I really like. You have to make sure to watch her video after this one. I really like how her carrots turned out. It's an older video. I think it came out a couple years ago. And I also didn't have an A, so I just took a V, the letter V, and I put it upside down, and then I just painted, like a little line to make it an A. So, you work with what you've got. So then I took a little bit of sandpaper and I just distressed it just a little bit. Truthfully, I wish I would have left it alone because it really lightened up the paint or the words on the fabric. And I do like how this came out, but I think I would have liked it. I just wanted it to be very rustic and very distressed, and that's why I did that. But I think it probably would have been better if I just would have left it alone and darker. So then I'm just taking some leftover stuffing from an old pillow, and I'm just stuffing my carrot. Now to get down, I didn't make it very pointy because I knew it was going to be very hard to get the stuffing down at the bottom, and so that's why my carrot at the bottom is more like a V kind of, so it was a little bit easier. And then I'm just bunching it right here just to make sure that I have enough room to add greenery at the top. And I did put twine here. I don't know. I end up having to take it off to put the greenery on anyway, but I guess I just was being impatient and wanted to see what it looked like to make sure I had enough space and didn't have to remake it and all that kind of stuff, because that does happen quite a bit. So then here I'm just taking some sandpaper, and this was a very easy way to get that distressed look. This fabric, again, it is drop cloth material. I got it at Harbor Freight, and it's very easily distressed anyway, but with sandpaper it gives it a really cool look. So then I'm just taking these this greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby. It is so pretty. It has these very little light pink flowers on it. And when I saw them in the store, I had to have them. I didn't really have a plan for them, but I just had to have them. I thought they were so pretty. And then I thought they would look really cute on the top of these carrots. So then I just stuffed them in there, and you could hot glue them as well, but I wanted to, just in case I wanted to reuse this greenery again, I didn't, and I just tied it with just some jute or some twine. And then, as you can see, I made another one, and I used folk art in the color Pavement. It's not quite black, it's a nice dark gray color, and I didn't distress the letters on this one, so it did come out a little bit more pronounced. And because it's not a chalk paint, the letters came out a little bit more rustic, which is how I liked it. So now for these carrots, these we're going to do a little bit different. And so I'm just taking some fabric. All this fabric is from Hobby Lobby that you're going to see from this point out. And I just took a square piece of fabric. I just folded my fabric in half in a square, and then as you saw, I cut it in, again, like a triangle shape, and I just made sure both sides were even. And it just depends on how big or how small you want your carrots. And again, I tried not to make the point of these at the bottom too pointy, because it does get a little difficult to put the stuffing in. And so then I just hot glued, and it doesn't matter to leave a space or anything for these, because then we're going to flip them inside out. So these are more kind of like a standard type carrot. And then I have this really pretty flower fabric that I also got from Hobby Lobby when it was on sale. Well, it's on sale every other week. These fabric scissors I'm using are amazing. I needed a really good pair of fabric scissors, and these are from Amazon, and you also it comes in a really nice box, like a plastic box, to store everything in, along with some pinking shears, and they are really, really good quality scissors. I do have them linked down below if you are also looking for a good pair of scissors that aren't too expensive, because my word, it's amazing how expensive fabric scissors can get. And but it does make a difference to have the right tool for the job, as my dad would say. And these are definitely the right tool. So as you can see, I'm just doing the same thing with a few different fabric, all in blue. I'm just really into blue this year for spring, so that's what I'm using. And this is kind of like a cotton linen canvas type material. I really liked it though. And then I just stuffed it using some leftover fill from an old pillow. And then I'm using the same greenery as I did with the drop cloth carrots. And then I just tie it with some twine. Now, I like, for my projects when I make them, I like them to look like they all go together, like they're a set or something like that. And so that's why I use twine, but you can most definitely use ribbon or different things like that, and different types of greenery as well. That's what's so great about DIYs, is that you can make them your own. And as you can see with this one, because this fabric is not double-sided, then I did glue it inside out, and this is how they turned out. And I used, as you can see, a bunch of different fabrics, and I love these. They're so fun to decorate with as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this nice, quick, short video. I will be having another video coming out this coming Tuesday, so make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned for that. And I thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. I hope you got some inspiration and learned a little bit. And if you want to see some more videos from my channel, feel free to click here. And that is all I have got for you guys today, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!